Seven Lakes is located in beautiful Holly, Michigan. Seven Lakes is comprised of Big Seven Lake, Little Seven Lake, Dickinson Lake, Mud Lake, Spring Lake, Sand Lake. The largest of the lakes, Big Seven Lake, is home to a few varieties of excellent sport fish like largemouth bass, northern pike, walleye, and channel catfish. It's a 170-acre lake, and it has some areas in it that have depths up to 53 feet deep. The water in Seven Lakes is almost crystal clear everywhere you go. There are several shallow boat ramps that you can use. It's time to begin my hike. Big Seven Lake and Dickinson are connected by a little river that connects the two. A forgotten paper wasp nest hangs over the water. The frozen beach awaits the summer sun to allow the tourists to begin fun and games. One of the sleeping pavilions awaits the laughter and playing of children in the summer again. The park also has electric vehicle charging stations as well. The Fisherman's Cove Pavilion looks like an ideal place to throw a party. All right, we made it. That was a nice long hike, about 2 hours. and 4.24 miles. Not bad, guys, not bad. All right, well, that concludes Seven Lakes Park. That was a good workout, and I'm enjoying these hikes, and we'll do some bigger ones and camping here once it warms up a little bit. But right now, it's time for a juicy cheeseburger. Yeah, till next time.